Hi teachers, it's the Cloud Apps Tutor, and I want to show you very quickly today a very powerful function in Google Classroom called Reuse Post. So I've got a few different classrooms here, and as grade 8 teachers at my school, we are sort of sharing access to each other's classrooms. So I've got the 8C coursework, 8E coursework, 8G homeroom, and I think 8J homeroom as well. So the names don't have to be exactly the same, but you can see that we're sharing some things, and we want to sort of keep an eye on what each other is doing. So let's say that the 8G teacher right here wants to add an assignment that she sees on the 8C coursework classroom. Okay, so if I just lost you there, basically she wants to add an assignment that I've already posted. So in this case, I've posted a writing activity, and it looks like this. It's got a description to the writing activity. It's got a Google Doc that every student gets a copy of. It's got an image for SMART goals. It's got my writing example, and it's got a brainstorming template for brainstorming different goals. So I think it's a pretty good assignment. I've put some work into it, and let's say, again, another teacher just wants to grab that and post it on her classroom. So what she wants to do is go over to classwork, and then create, and then reuse post. And then she should get access to all of the classes that she's in on, including mine. So all she needs to do is find my assignment, hit reuse, and it will give her all of the same attachments. Everything is ready to go, all of the description. Now it's only showing you one line of the description here at a time, which is annoying, but as soon as you hit enter or something else, you get all of the description. So she can make any edits that she wants to. She can edit the due date, of course, the weighting, the topic, anything she wants, and then assign it, or of course schedule an assignment in advance so that it doesn't appear in classroom right away. But that's such a powerful tool, because as we go through this year as a grade 8 teaching team, we can sort of borrow from one another and just quickly post assignments that someone else has made on our own classroom. So that's how to use reuse post. Again, it's create, reuse post, and then you just find the classroom that you want to use, and you just go into it and you select the assignment. All right, that's how it goes. Hope that was helpful. Hope that gives you some ideas. If you're using Google Classroom, or perhaps new to Google Classroom, that's how to do it.